Hello. In this tutorial, we'll begin by navigating to the Grade section, where we can manage the gradebook. Here, we are in Manage Grade section, where we can set up categories for assignments and exams, and create specific grade items. Next, you can add a new category or individual grade items, depending on how you want to organize the grading structure. Fill in the details for each item or category, including the name, type, and possible points. Once everything is set, click Save and Close to finalize your changes.